In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to keyframe. We're going to go ahead and keyframe on top of text. So to do that, go ahead and pull out a text and go into controls and type whatever you want. I'm just going to write testing. And go ahead and drag that down into the timeline. Doesn't matter the length or anything. Just for rendering purposes, I'll go ahead and cut it in half. And we will make it a little bit longer. Okay, that's a little bit too long. Still too long. Okay, so to apply a keyframe, what we are going to do is go ahead and double click on your video clip. Go into controls, and if you're not familiar with this, inside of the viewer, we have the control panel, which has the ability to change a lot of different things. So right in the parameters, you can actually change the text. You can change the font. So I just changed the font. You can change the style, size, origin, everything. But what keyframe it allows you to do is change it as it's going through the timeline. So we can actually change the size as time progresses. So if we wanted to stay at 36 at the beginning, make sure it's selected, go ahead and click in the navigation column right here, this little diamond. It'll turn green, and then in this little mini timeline here, you'll see a little dot that appears. What that basically allows it to do is says, in this specific point of time, you actually just made it so that it will be 36 the size. So if you scroll a little bit forward, you'll notice that the green disappears. If you go back to the beginning, it reappears. If you scroll forward and click that again, you just added a second keyframe. Now you can actually change the size, and so if you scroll through time, it'll actually get larger. You can do the same thing for other things as well. For example, if you wanted to change the color as time progresses, let's go back to the beginning. We'll keep it white at the beginning, and we want to keep it green as it changes. So we can click on this, this color window and drag it to the green, click OK. So as time progresses, it will actually change from white to green. The same thing goes with the tracking. You can change the tracking. So click a keyframe, go to another point in time, and change the tracking. And that will actually change it as well. There's a lot of different things you can do with this, not just text. You can apply filters and change the filters. You can do different audio kind of effects, or you can animate different kinds of text for the opening of movies or anything that you need. So that's it.